Question 6. Solve the following equation for x. What is the value of x? So we have to solve for x. To get that, we need to get x on one side. Before we can do that, we have to eliminate fractions. There are no fractions to eliminate, so now we have to eliminate parentheses. So we have to get rid of these parentheses. So I'm going to distribute my 4/10 to both things inside the parentheses. The other side will stay the same as 1 and 94/100th x minus 1 and 25/100th x plus 4 and 32/100th equals, when I do 4/10 times 1 and 15/100th x, I get 46/100th x. And then when I do 4/10 times 8 and 5/10, I will get plus 3 and 4/10. Now I need to combine my like terms. So I'm going to combine my x's on this side, and there are no other like terms I can combine. When I combine those, I subtract 1 and 25/100ths from 1 and 94/100ths. That will give me 69/100ths x plus 4 and 32/100ths equals 0 and 46/100ths x plus 3 and 4/10. I now need to move my x's to one side, so I need to move my smallest x, which is 46/100ths. So I'm going to subtract 46/100ths x from both sides. Draw this so I know I'm doing it from both sides. And that'll give me 23/100ths x plus 4 and 32/100ths equals 3 and 4/10. Now I need to get my x alone, so I have to get rid of my positive 4 and 32/100ths with a negative 4 and 32/100ths. And that gets me 23/100ths x equals, one moment, negative 92/100ths. And then I just divide by my 0 and 2/3, or 23/100ths, and my 0 and 23/100ths. And my x will equal a negative 4. Happens to be one of my answer choices, so my answer choice is A.